What delivers stable performance? Suntan capacitors, reliable power stability. It starts with precision, every process, exactly crafted. And it's built by experienced professionals since 1978. Suntan aluminium electrolytic capacitors. How is consistency achieved? It comes from strict quality control, every unit checked before it ever leaves the line. The result, reliable performance, every batch, every time. It's continuous improvement in every part of manufacturing. Suntan continues investing in automation and efficiency to meet every demand ahead. Professional manufacturing, trusted quality, that's the Suntan standard. Built for every application. Get in touch with Suntan today.